Installing Roman shades? We'll walk you through it. To get started, in addition to your Roman shades purchase, you'll need a tape measure, pencil, level tool, screwdriver, and power drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Your Roman shades were packaged with their mounting parts, so avoid throwing anything away until you're totally done. Also, it's easier to install a shade that's securely folded, so don't unfold it yet. If you measured for an interior install, you'll be adhering your shade within your window frame. That means your shade should be approximately the width of your window. First, you need to mark where your headrail is going to go. Start by measuring the headrail. Then, use a pencil to transfer the measurements onto the wall. These marks designate the endpoints of your headrail. Now it's time to mark your bracket placement. Start by holding one of the C-shaped brackets against the top of the window frame. If you want the headrail to be flush with the frame when it's installed, the front edge of your bracket should be 1/2 inch from the front edge of the window frame. Position it within 1/4 inch of its headrail endpoint mark, then use a pencil to mark the frame through the 2 openings at the top of the bracket. To prevent any wood from splitting by screw driving, use a power drill and a 1/8 inch drill bit to drill a hole at each bracket mark about 1 inch deep. Use a screwdriver and the 2 provided long screws to secure each bracket to the top of the window frame at their marked locations. Align the headrail with your 2 or 3 mounted brackets. Push it into the open end of the brackets, making sure it's centered. Once the headrail is centered within the brackets, use the short screws provided to secure the mounted headrail to each bracket end. High five, you're done. To pull your shade up or down, be sure to use the handle at the lower edge of the rear panel. Once pulled to a desired height, the shade will lock and hold in place.